2 tiny letters. That's all it takes to flip your message from global finance to your personal grocery bill. In English, economic and economical look like twins, but they are worlds apart. Think of economic as the big picture. It's about the machine, the system, trade, taxes, and countries. An economic crisis affects millions. An economic policy changes the law. If you're talking about the movement of wealth on a massive scale, you're in the world of economic. No AL needed. But the moment you add that AL, everything shrinks down to your wallet. Economical is about being smart with what you have. It means efficient, thrifty, wise. You buy an economical car to save on gas. You make an economical choice to avoid waste. One is about the money itself. The other is about how you use it. They aren't interchangeable. They aren't even friends. Economic is the system. Economical is the skill. Next time you speak, watch that ending. Those 2 little letters can change you from a global strategist to a bargain hunter. Words are assets. Invest in them wisely.